Life's too fucking short. I don't want to waste it being bummed out over dumb shit, you know, or
Oh, you get bummed out about it. See, I don't get bummed out about it.
No, I don't. I don't get bummed out. That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't. Like, people, like what we were talking about, you know, going back to that, like people posting everything about their life and shit. Like, I don't like that. I mean,
yeah, I don't like that either.
I don't like it for a lot of reasons, but like one of the reasons is obviously you're just every time you post something that's personal, like you're just giving these companies, these social media companies, and all the little nerds that are sitting there just give me all the information that they want. I mean, they already know everything about us.
Yeah, I was
anyway.
about to say, we can't hide from that.
We
signed up for so much shit in this world over time.
We just give them more and more power. The more shit you talk about that you like or you dislike, they go, ooh, these are the ads we'll generate for him.